Are you wondering which tool is better for your creative projects? Today we are comparing LmStudio and Msty. Let's dive in. Both LmStudio and Msty help you create stunning visuals and designs. They offer a range of features that cater to artists and designers alike. But how do they stack up against each other? First, let's look at LmStudio. This tool is known for its user friendly interface. It has a wide variety of templates and design elements. Users love its drag and drop functionality. It makes creating graphics easy even for beginners. Plus, it offers great customization options to make your designs unique. Now, let's talk about MST. This tool is popular for its advanced editing features. It gives users more control over their designs. MST also has a strong focus on collaboration. You can easily share projects with others and work together in real time. This makes it a great choice for teams. So, what are the main differences? LM Studio is perfect for those who want simplicity and quick results. MST, on the other hand, is better for users who need more advanced tools and collaborative features. When it comes to features, LM Studio shines with its templates and ease of use. MST offers powerful editing tools and excellent sharing options. Both tools have their strengths depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, LM Studio usually has a lower cost, making it budget friendly. MST might be a bit pricier, but it offers more advanced capabilities. In the end, if you're a beginner or need quick designs, go for LM Studio. But if you're looking for advanced features and teamwork, MSty is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.